welcome back to my channel. And you know, I am your host, Petalisbless, and I'm coming on today with our Glam Elegant Society Living collab. Today is our spring edition for 2021. And this collaboration is hosted by Really Good Living, and the co-hosts are I Style, My Style, Decorating with Ant's Place, and myself, Petalisbless. Okay, for today's spring collaboration, I'll be making a nice vase that you can place anywhere throughout your home, and I will show you at the end how I style it different ways. So these are the items that we'll be using for today's DIY. So you know what time it is. It's time to grab your tea/coffee and a donut and a muffin with that. And let's get started. Okay, we're starting off with this vase here. And I have taped off the tape just using some green painter's tape. I taped off the inside because I'll be painting the inside with this black paint that we have here. So we're just going to dip the paint inside, use our little sponge foam, and spread the black paint all around. I like adding the paint to the inside. If you want to use spray paint or even put the paint on the outside, that's perfectly fine too. My preference is just putting it inside. And then I'm going to set it aside to dry for a few hours. We have these flowers here, and I'm going to paint the flowers with some silver paint. And we're going to add some sparkles. Yes, we're going to add some sparkles to the flowers also. You know, if you can't find the flowers that you want in the store, buy some light colored flowers, because light colors are easier to paint over, give you less painting than if you use darker flowers, and add your paint color. And do what you want. You'll get the flowers that you love, and that's perfect for your crafting. Yeah, so we're just going to put some sparkles. Oh my gosh. Doesn't that look nice? I love it. So now we're just going to do these ones here, and I'll be adding the sprinkles. Sorry, the glitter. OMG, your girl is just saying the wrong words today. Adding the glitter to the flowers. Okay, now our vase is all dry. Doesn't it look pretty? I think it looks shinier when you when you paint or spray paint the inside. And then we're going to add the glitter ribbon here. It's so nice. And also some glam chain. And we're also going to add our mirror tiles. Okay, I'm just going to use some hot glue and put down our glam ribbon going all the way around. Remember, use any adhesive that you'd like for your crafting. It's not a problem. Your preference is what you use. I'm just using some hot glue. And now we're going to put down our mirrored tiles. These ones that I get from Amazon, the adhesive is very good. To certain material, to glass, it sticks very good. Other things that you use it on, you'll add a little more adhesive, but to the glass, it's okay. So we're just sticking that down. And now I'll be using some E6000 to put down our glam chain. We have a little space here where the tiles did not meet up. I'll be putting like 3 little spots of the glam chain going right there, just to make it look much better. And now it's time to add our flowers, because they're all dry. Don't they look nice with the silver? So I'm just figuring out where to place them. And now I'm just using some hot glue to glue them down to our vase. And now I'm going to use some of my favorite bling gems. Yes, from Totally Dazzled. I'll be using some of this to go right here by the flowers to make it look more elegant. And now for our next set of flowers, the little bigger ones, I'll be placing them at the bottom of the vase. Again, using some more hot glue. Just holding them down in place because the glue takes a minute to dry. And then I'll just be lining them up going down. And here is our finished look. I think it looks absolutely lovely. A glam and elegant vase. It looks so nice. Using cheap things, put them together. Yeah, like me, I'm a diva on a budget. Like nice looking expensive things, which I only pay a fraction of the price to have them. And I'm sharing that with you so you can do the same thing for your home. I think it looks absolutely beautiful. I love how it turned out. And here we go with some flowers inside. And you know, you can place any color flowers that you like. It's your DIY. You put it up to your fancy. I'm just sharing the basic steps with you, and you follow it and make it your own. Okay, here is the first way that we are going to display our vase. You can have it like an accent piece in your living room, on a coffee table, anywhere throughout your home that you like. I love how it looks here. You know your girl just loves accent or statement pieces all by themselves. I think it looks lovely. And here it is with the flowers inside. Another elegant way to display this vase. Remember, like I said, you can use any color flowers of your choice, or even use the same flowers like I did. I think it looks absolutely beautiful. And you know, black is in. Yes, black decor, they say, is in. So I've heard. You know your girl loves silver, I love white. It doesn't matter. You can still add them in to your decor. Remember, this is the Glam Elegant Living Society Spring Edition collab. And here is where I'm placing my vase, yes, in my washroom. I think it looks absolutely lovely on the counter. And I have my other DIY items that I had DIY'd. If you didn't get a chance to see, I will put the cards to those videos at the end of this video, and you can click on and see how I made some of these other items that I have in my washroom. And here's the other side of my counter with my makeup brush containers. I think it looks absolutely lovely. A lovely refresh idea for spring. Yeah, I love how it turned out. I made all these items for my refresh for spring, and I think they look lovely together. Alright everyone, leave a comment down below and tell me what you think of today's DIY. Yeah, and how I placed them in different areas to show you. Tell me how you would display them. And also, I hope you will check out the other participants in this Glam Elegant Living Society Spring Edition for 2021. I will have the link to the playlist down below, and I'd appreciate if you go over and check out all the other ladies and see what they did in our collab. And thank you once again for coming on and seeing today's DIY that I had to share with you guys. And remember, as always, stay blessed from Petalisbless, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye bye everyone.